Hi everyone. So today let's go ahead and see. We have a Summer 22 release on June 11th, right? So there are a few changes on the flows. So let's go ahead and see what are the new changes that are coming in the Summer 22 flow, Summer 22 release. Right. Okay, so the first thing, whenever we create a flows, we keep on creating the flows, right? We keep on creating the flows. Like I created a flow on account. Tomorrow some other developer is created another flow on account. And after that, after 6 months or 3 months, another two developers created the flow. It is very difficult to track how many flows are there on the account object or on each object. Right now I'm taking the example of account, but the question is like, how can I track how many flows are implemented on particular object? So in that scenario, right now in Summer 22, it is easy to track. If you go with the object and you will see there is an option called flow triggers below the triggers. So you will know that how many flows are there within that account. How many flows that are active. So it will show only the active one, or it will show both of them. Because let me save this. Okay, I just created this flow just for testing purpose. Let me refresh this. Okay, so here it is showing it's not active. So whatever the flows that are on the particular object, it shows all the flows, whether it is active or inactive, both of them it is going to show. That is the first one, which we are going to have a flexibility to view on the each object how many flows are there. Now there is another thing which is added by you can click on a new flow. See here on the flow trigger, you will see that flow trigger explorer, new flow. This flow trigger explorer is basically the order of execution. For example, you have some 10 flows are there. You don't know which flow gets executed first, which flow gets executed second, and which flow comes on the next. So we do not know the order of execution of this flow. In that case, if you click on this flow trigger explorer, it is going to tell you that on creation of account, what are the flows that are running on, like on update of the account, what are the flows that get executed. If you wanted to shift, you can shift it. Like let me create another flow here. Click on new flow. Okay, so on clicking on the new flow, you see here I have given the account object. It automatically created, and let me change it to created and updated. Now here it used to have all conditions are met, any condition is met, custom condition logic is met, and the new thing which is added as formula condition. We used to see in the workflows, right? On the creation of workflow, we used to give some conditions here, and I can check the condition here. So this is a new thing. Whenever you click on a new flow, right? Whenever you click on a new flow, you will see another option called, while pulling the object record, you will see formula evaluation, formula for condition. So you will enter the details and check syntax. So once you check the syntax, this is similar to the formula that we used to have in the formula field or workflow fields, whatever it is. So we can, let me take it as this. So I can implement anything. So that is one option which is available now. Now let me update record, demo update. and here field, let me take any other field as facts equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Done. Okay, let's save this. Test 1 2 3. Save it. Refresh. I have created the new test2 flow. Here I can see that now if I click on Flow Trigger Explorer, it is going to show me the on the update how many are going to execute it. Like for example, this is the execution flow. This is the order of execution. As soon as the account record is updated, first it will execute the logic in the demo, and then it will execute the logic in the test 1 2 3. But in case if you want test 1 2 3 should be executed first, then demo, you can switch it. You can switch it, edit the reorder, and you can switch here. Test 1 2 3 comes first and demo. Right? So you can update and make a changes whatever you want, or if you want to delete it, you can delete it. Okay, so this is the execution. It is repeating again and again. Edit the order. Update trigger order for one flow within the action related records. The trigger order values determine the flow run sequence. Trigger order affects only the specified object. Flows within the same type trigger. So flow label is demo. Old trigger order, nothing is there. New trigger order 500. Review your changes because you cannot immediately undo this. So once we update it, we cannot undo. So trigger order was updated. So we can make changes as per the needed. So that is the third thing. So first one is on the account, you can on the object, you can see how many flows are there. And the second one, while creating the flow, you will see there is a formula which is added by Salesforce on the condition. Whenever we are trying to pull the record on the creation or updated, there is a one formula condition is updated. And the third one is you can see the order of execution in the flow trigger. The order of execution of flow trigger. There are few changes on the screen level also. If I click on new flow, see here, fast field update, run asynchronously, action related records. So different boxes are there. Let me take a new fast field. So which is coming a same thing, but it is going to update the immediately as soon as the record is updated. The record is fast field update. It is going to happen. Run asynchronously will be the third option. So the execution will be the first fast field updates will happen. Then action and related records will happen. Then run asynchronously is going to happen. So based on that, you can reorder your flow. Now let me create a new flow. New flow. Let me take the screen flow. So we have something called get more on the app exchange. From the app exchange also I can display the things. If I click on that button, it is going to redirect me to the app exchange. So if you wanted to pull anything which is related to the flows, so this is going to show me the all the flow templates. If I wanted to drag, I can drag that, right? And that is the new thing field. Okay, this is in the beta level. That should be fine. And yeah, those are the couple of new in the flow. Yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.